Oke guys, balik lagi dengan channel gue Alvian 0208. Kali ini gue bakal nge-reaction videonya Pahlawan ya, yang tag team Wildcard GBB 2021 ya. Oke, tanpa basa-basi, tinggal kita skui videonya.
Yo, what up? My name is Artsy.
My name is Arzel,
and we are Pahlawan. And this is our wild card.
What? I think for the GBB 2021 World League Tag Team category, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're doing GBB tag teams
Yeah,
now.
we want to win, man.
But wait, we didn't prepare. How are we gonna win if we don't prepare?
Oh, damn, like that. We have to freestyle. But, oh, okay, wait. I think we got this one.
Oh,
Yeah,
how?
This one.
Yo, Pahlawan Kitchen, cooking up beats doing it for a living. You know that good shit killing. When people in the back got you jumping in the scene like, hold up, cause we still the best in line, yeah. Hold up, better than the other guys, yeah. Hold up, what the fuck is up? Gotta turn it up. Chill, boy, we're gonna turn it up in the cloud like. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, reel it in. Artsy and hard to get in the Benjamin. Beatbox fire to give you adrenaline. Feel it in your body, feel it in your skin. Dale, yo, reel it in. Beatbox fire to give you adrenaline. Feel it in your body, feel it in your skin. Feel it in your body, feel it in your skin. Pahlawan Kitchen, cooking that really like.
Ini ada suara burungnya guys.
Oh, it's like we've done this routine before, huh?
Man, what happened to you,
Oh
bro?
fuck, sorry man. It's just
We vibing, man.
yeah, you know we've been
Man,
doing
bro,
it.
this is the mic. Wait, what? Did Ivan record?
Oke ya guys ya, kali ini selesai videonya. Jangan lupa di like, comment, subscribe ya, di share juga ya kalau kalian suka videonya. Oke, nanti gue bakal bikin konten lagi selanjutnya. Oke, thank you.